If you're dreaming of exploring Japan, I've got the ultimate 14-day itinerary for you. Picture this: 7 cities, countless experiences, all during the breathtaking autumn season. Let's dive right in. First stop, Takayama, known for its incredible food and vibrant nightlife. Wander through Dotonbori with its neon lights and street food, devour some Ichiran ramen, and explore the majestic Osaka Castle. Feeling adventurous? Check out Universal Studios or the Umeda Sky Building. Next, head over to Koyasan, a serene temple town in Wakayama. Spend the night at a Buddhist temple, Season Inn, where you'll sleep on tatami floors and join in on morning rituals. Don't miss the Danjo-Garen complex and the mystical Okunoin cemetery. From there, it's off to Nara. Get up close with friendly deer at Nara Park. Marvel at the great Buddha statue in Tadaiji Temple. And hike Mount Wakakusa for stunning views. And trust me, you've got to see the mochi pounding show. Kyoto's next, and it's a must-see. Stroll through the enchanting Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Visit the iconic Golden Pavilion. And take in the bustling atmosphere of Nishiki Market. Don't forget Fushimi Inari Shrine with its endless red gates. In Kanazawa, explore the picturesque Kenrokuin Garden and the charming Higashi Chaya district. Try some gold leaf ice cream while you're at it. The DT Suzuki Museum is also a hidden gem. Takayama offers a taste of traditional Japan. Wander through the old town, visit morning markets, and sip on sake from local breweries. The Shin-Hotaka Ropeway gives you unbeatable mountain views. Finally, Tokyo. From the historic Sensoji Temple to the bustling Shibuya crossing, this city has it all. Explore Harajuku's quirky fashion. Immerse yourself in Akihabara's anime culture. And marvel at the digital art at Team Lab Borderless. This incredible adventure will cost you around 3,100 USD, excluding flights. So pack your bags and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in Japan!